be cooking some hamburgers.
What do you think?
I am disappointed.
Disappointed. Beautiful.
Dad, can you help me with this? Is this okay to touch the ground, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Let's start. Is this the tent or the car?
That's the tent, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, that's cool. Go that way a little bit. There's like rocks and stuff.
So, you go that way. We're gonna put the doors on the side, just like this, right there. We'll get some tent stakes.
Ah, yes, my nut chugs. One, two, three.
Here you go. Can you help us unfold? All right, come here. Let me show you the pump. So turn that on. And we just wait.
Yep.
Alright, and then we put your mattress here, and Gavin's on the other side.
Yep, still the best mattress I remember.
Alright, here you go for the next one.
Are you gonna bring the dogs in here too?
And then this will be for Gavin.
Okay, dokie.
Spread that quilt out.
like all the way down. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Well, come check his corner.
We're moved. Your corner, you didn't do a very good job. Neither did you. Hang up her.
Ethan, you're not a very good help, dude.
He's not. Ta-da! So we're gonna make a campfire and cook some steaks.
Burgers.
Oh, burgers. Same thing.
We're gonna bushcraft a fire. Okay, go ahead. A little bit of squeezy juice. More. All over the place. All right, give it a shot. Ah!
I thought it would go up faster.
Big fire. That's what we need.
Spiderweb galore. Alright everybody, we're gonna be cooking some hamburgers.
Oh yeah.
This is my favorite cheese.
What do we have for dinner?
Hamburgers,
Hamburgers.
bacon.
I want bacon.
You gonna have a jalapeno pepper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum.
Oh man, look at that. Got a baked potato, sour cream, chives, barbecued A1 burger, roasted jalapenos, bacon, and squash. It's gonna be delicious.
We know what hamburgers taste like.
Not really good.
Yum, yum, yum. Made me a little salad burger over here. That's pretty good.
What do you think?
I am disappointed.
Disappointed. Whatever. We're having hamburgers and delicious food tonight. See you after we're done.
Okay, let's reshuffle.
All right, everybody. We are in the tent, getting ready for bed, and we're playing tic-tac-toe and Go Fish.
Yeah.
And we just had dinner and it was delicious. So we're gonna do this for a while and catch you guys in the morning. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.